I am out here. It's a little bit moist out today, but it's supposed to snow like 8 inches over the next 3 days. So probably not going to get another chance to fly the drone. So I'm just out here. I'm going to try to get some nice footage. So, all right. So actually, while I was out here just filming and having some fun, I came up with a nice idea for a video. So actually, what this video is going to turn into is me comparing what 1080p 60 frames per second looks like compared to 2.7K 30 frames per second. At least for YouTube, because that's what you guys will be seeing. I've seen some debate on this, and that's why I decided to cover it. 1080p 60 frames per second is regarded as having the higher bit rate, and so is better for motion and things like that. Whereas the 2.7K 30 frames per second is obviously a higher resolution film. So I'm gonna get back to the studio, review some footage, and then we'll go over it. Thanks. So I'm editing the footage here, and the 1080p footage looks awful. The 1080p footage looks just, there's no detail in anything I shot. And I think one of the most impressive things about the DJI Mavic Mini is that you can shoot what looks to be somewhat professional grade footage, and nothing of the 1080p footage looks professional. I'm watching it on a 4K monitor, so not obviously super normal conditions, but it looks so much worse than the 2.7K. I am uploading this in 4K, so hopefully, I guess YouTube realizes that I've never done it, but yeah. So you guys should be able to see the difference in the two sets of footage. Please never use 1080p 60 frames per second unless you are doing something really high speed and like trying to do acrobatics or something with your DJI Mavic Mini. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was pretty interesting to learn some new things. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it was pretty interesting to learn some new things. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.